Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you a new mini album that I made, and I use cards and envelopes for this one. Here are the cards and envelopes that I use. Those are the cards are 5 by 7 and the envelopes are 5 1/4 by 7 1/4. Now let me show you the album. And also for this album, I use one of the kits that I have for sale. For the colors of this mini album, I use some single sheets of paper that I had in my stash. So no paper pad. I just grab all of the pink ones, pink and white. And I maybe have a couple that has another color. But it's mostly pink and white, okay? And I use the silver embellishments. And as you can see, I embellish with these rhinestones for the corners right here. It's an embellishment that comes like this. See, you have the corners and this big embellishment that I cut it out in 2 pieces. And this is what I have left. See? So right here, I put a little piece on this side and the big one right here. And these flowers come in the kit, and look, I use the silver tones in the whole album, and also this one comes in the kit. And I just put one more rhinestone because it looked kind of empty in this side. And this one came in the wand, and I just took it out and just grabbed this one for the cover. And yeah, I can still use the one with the other ribbon. Okay, so then right here for the back, as you can see, has lace on this side and this one. Okay, I have this ribbon in the kits. Okay, and what I did is just measure. I just measure the size right here and cut, and then I open it and cut this part up here. Okay, cut up here and separate them. Okay, so then this part I use them right here, but straight, not like this. Okay, see, it was too much ruffle, so that's why I put it straight right here. And I just glue right here on this side, and right here when I fold it, I glue in this side. But then the other part, okay, this one, I glue in the center to the outside, and I just put some glue and press, so and it still look ruffle, but it's all glue. See? And then I use the rhinestones that come in the kit. These two that I put in there, I used from this one, okay, and I make 3 rows, okay, one of pearls and the other 2 of rhinestones. See, this is what I have left after I use a lot of these rhinestones. Okay, when you open this one right here, I decorated these 2 pages with embellishments. I cut this one with my dies, and it comes in the kit. And this one, everything that you see here, it's in the kit. Like this rosette, this is already cut like this. It says gorgeous. I made these tiny envelopes, and it comes in the kit as well. And right here, I put Velcro, and then right here, this one comes in the kit, the announcing card, and I just glue on another piece of paper, and it's like a booklet, so they can write some more. Okay, and here is the information for the arrival. And this little envelope has 2 compartments. See? So in the second one, I put another cardstock so they can use for writing more information about her birth or anything. Okay, and then this page opens and they can put pictures in there. Big pictures, 4 by 6 if they want. Okay, so right here, for this one, I use one of the die cuts that is in the kit. and a flower, and this one, the title too. Okay, now for this one, I glued this on white cardstock, and then I cut it out. Okay, up here I trace with a pencil and then cut it out, so it's easier for them to put a picture behind and then just glue the corners. Okay, so this is how it can be embellished. And right here, just for plain pictures, 4x6. Then right here in the envelopes, I put some cards, and because of the cards are smaller, I just added this piece right here. And I use my punch from Martha Stewart just to give that accent of flowers, and then they can put 4x6 pictures in there. See? And all of these are going to be the same. Okay, then in the next page I made pockets, and I use the laces that come in the kit, and I put rhinestones right here, okay, on top. Then I put a card, and I made a finish with a Martha Stewart punch. And right here I put a card, and these cards measure like 4.5 by 6.5, so it's going to be a perfect mat for a 4x6. See? Then, and on this side is the same. It has the big mats right here. Then on the next page I use the embellishments that come in the kit, and look, this is the stroller, and I just put pearls there and here, and then I added this piece of lace, and I added more pearls and pearls right here. See how cute? And for this one is the other envelope, I just added this one that comes in the kit. That is so precious, and this one comes in the kit as well. And right here are the tags, okay, 2 tags, and I made an extra tag for them to write. They'll have a lot to write about the babies, so tags are good. Then on the top I just put a card, and I just punch so it can have a nice look. Then right here you open this one, and you have room for more pictures. See? Okay, right here on the side is the same. Then on the next page I made 2 pockets, and I put these large tags that comes in the kit. Okay, and for one of them I just added one of the flowers that I made. Okay, and then I added a big card so they can put more 4x6 pictures. And right here, this is how I embellish the die cut that I put in the kit. Okay, I just added the rhinestones right here, and right here is the other tag, and I added just one rhinestone right here. See? And it has the big tags right here. Then in the next page I use the other die cut. See? And for this one I use the baker's twine that I put in there, and this is the die cut of the onesie. I use some of the scraps of the silver paper, and I just simulated that they are clothespins, and I just put rhinestones on top, and behind I put foam tape so it can be raised and look like it's hanging. Okay, then on the next side I just hang the socks and the bib, and for the bib I just added a rhinestone, and I did the same. Okay, then this one are pages for more pictures. Okay, they can put pictures here, but they also can put pictures inside and on the other side too. Okay, on the left and on the right. See? okay? Then it has more room for pictures in these mats. Then right here, they have more pictures right here and also in these cards, okay? That they can put 4x6 pictures. And here are some more of the embellishments that I put in the kit, and I just decorated with the rhinestones. And this is the diaper that I made with felt, see? So it was very easy to decorate this album. Then on this page, I used the other frame and I just glued that on the cardstock, okay? And then I traced with pencil and I cut it, okay, the inside, and I just glue on one side and put a flower so they can add a picture right here behind and glue these two corners and it will look like a frame, okay, for the baby or for them together. So, and then they can open this page and have more pictures in there. And on this side, I made these pockets with the envelope that I added, okay? And what I did is I just cut, okay? I just fold the size that I wanted and cut. And then I just glue the first part to the second one and added this ribbon, okay? That comes. And then I put pearls. And this one, it's in the kit as well. So it will be a nice frame for a picture of the baby. And it will go right here. And right here is another card. It's a smaller one, but they can maybe write something and add pictures of them, okay? So this is how I use the envelope. Okay, the long envelope, and this one opens as well. See? So they can have more room for pictures. And this is the back of the mini album. And yeah, I hope you like how this one looks like. And I'm going to make a tutorial on how I made the pages of this mini album. So stay tuned for the video. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.